In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter vendor credit memos in QuickBooks Online. If a vendor gives you a credit for returned goods, an overcharge, or any adjustment to a bill you've already recorded, it's important to enter that credit properly so your books stay accurate. The good news is that QuickBooks Online makes this process simple once you know where to go and what details to use. To get started, go to the top left corner of QuickBooks Online and click the New button. This opens the main transaction menu where you can create different types of entries. Under the Vendors section, choose Vendor to Credit. This is the form you'll use anytime a supplier gives you a credit that should reduce what you owe them now or in the future. Once the vendor credit window opens, select the vendor's name. Make sure you choose the same vendor who issued the original bill. This matters because QuickBooks uses the vendor name to track outstanding balances and apply credits correctly. Next, enter the credit details. The most important part here is to use the exact same category or item that was used on the original bill. This helps keep your records consistent and ensures the credit offsets the correct expense or product line. If the original bill was entered using a category, use that same category here. If it was entered using a product or service item, use the same item on the vendor payable credit. Matching this correctly helps avoid reporting errors and keeps your expense tracking clean. As you fill in the credit, double-check the amount and any other relevant information from the vendor's credit memo. Accuracy here is important because even a small mismatch can make reconciliation and bill tracking more confusing later on. After everything has been entered, click Save. That records the vendor credit in QuickBooks Online and makes it available to be applied against the vendor's current or future bills. That's all it takes to enter a vendor credit memo in QuickBooks Online. The key things to remember are to create the credit from the new menu, choose the correct vendor, and match the same category or item from the original bill. Doing this keeps your accounts payable accurate and helps maintain clean financial records. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.